Some woods have rich dark grains that contrast beautifully with bright epoxy. Others have swirling bells or unique textures that take your boards to the next level. In this video, we are going to look at 7 popular types of wood that work best for your epoxy charcuterie boards. Let's start with black walnut. This wood is extremely popular among resin artists, and here's why. It's rich, dark, and elegant. The deep brown tones make bright resins like ocean blue, gold, or white pop. It has a tight, straight grain, making it smooth to work with and easy to sand and finish. It's strong and durable, which is exactly what you want in a serving board. But here is the downside. It's pricey, especially premium cards with beautiful grain. It can sometimes have subtle cracks or knots you need to fill with resin. Still, if you want a high-end board that turns heads, black walnut is a winner. Next is hard maple, especially if you are going for a clean and minimal look. Hard maple has a creamy white tone which makes it super versatile. It contrasts beautifully with bold colored resin like black, red, or teal. It's hard and durable and less porous than many woods, which helps with food safety. It also holds engraving detail well, perfect for personalizing gifts. However, it can bend easily if you sand with too much speed or pressure. It's less dramatic in terms of grain, so it may not feel as artistic on its own. If you like clean, light, and modern charcuterie boards, hard maple is a smart, affordable choice. Now, olive wood. Olive wood is known for its bold, swirling green patterns and warm amber tones. Every board looks like a natural painting. It's very dense and durable, meaning it resists moisture well. The grain movement adds natural motion that looks stunning with clear or light tinted resins. It's very aromatic and gives a natural earthly vibe. But there are trade-offs. It can be tricky to work with, especially if the grain changes direction suddenly. Sourcing it sustainably can be tough and it's not always available locally. That said, when paired with a deep blue or pearl resin, olive wood is jaw-dropping. Cherry is one of those woods that age like fine wine. When it's fresh, it has a light pinkish hue, but over time, it darkens into a rich reddish brown. It's easy to machine and sand, and works well with both clear and colored resins. The grain is subtle and smooth, which gives a refined, elegant look. Now, here is the catch. Cherry can be a bit soft compared to walnut or maple, so take care not to oversand. It darkens with exposure to light, which can change how it looks over time. If you are going for something warm and classic, cherry is a great balance of workability and beauty. Now, let's talk luxury. Maple Burl. This is where things get wild in the best way possible. Burl wood comes from abnormal growths on the tree and has these organic swirling patterns that look totally unique. It's ideal for high-end artistic boards, especially when paired with clear or semi-transparent epoxy. It grabs people's attention instantly and adds a premium feel to your product line. But here's what to watch out for. Burl wood often has voids and irregularities, which means more resin filling. It's usually more expensive and harder to find consistently. If you are looking to create artistic, gallery-worthy boards, Maple Burl is hard to beat. Let's move to something a little more tropical, acacia. Acacia has become popular in both kitchenware and epoxy art because it's naturally water resistant, so it works well in cutting boards and charcuterie designs. It has a rich range of tones from golden honey to deep chocolate. It's sustainable and fast growing, which helps keep costs down. What to consider: it can have uneven coloring and small cracks depending on the cut. Some species of acacia are softer than others, so be sure to test hardness before working. Last but not least, ash. This is a solid option if you are looking for something affordable but still attractive. Ash has a light color and strong grain, making it ideal for vibrant resin accents. It's durable and holds up well with regular use, perfect for functional charcuterie boards. It's also readily available in many areas and easy to work with. That said, ash is open poured, so you will want to seal it properly before applying resin. It's not as flashy as bell or walnuts, but it's dependable and consistent. Think of ash as your reliable workhorse, perfect for everyday boards or when you want to let your resin design be the star. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and sharing for others to also get it. See you in the next video.